Hello everyone. Very good evening, guys. Oh, Radhe Radhe Hema. Very good evening, everyone. Please let me know. Am I audible or not, guys? Hello. Am I audible, guys? Okay, okay. And also, very good evening, everyone. So, very good evening. Vavesh, Yoga, sorry, Arun. Very good evening, guys. Guys, please let me know. First of all, have you completed the previous task or not? Or you are working on that task? Please let me know, guys. Actually, Vavesh, when you are going to submit all the task now, so on that time you have to pay. Right now, you don't have to pay, and the last date of submission is the 31st of July. So too many days are there, guys. Whatever thing we have completed now in our previous class, do you have any doubt on that, or you have completed, or you are working on that task? Please let me know, guys. What is the status of the previous task? Okay, Arun. Very good, very good. Okay, so today, guys. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, okay. Please do complete all those things. Okay, first of all, now today we are going to discuss about Axios, right? Suppose you have a backend and you want to connect your backend with the front end. So on that time, you should know how to handle the API in the client side. That is the very much important thing in front end. Okay. Apart from creating component, creating a very interactive component, the very much important thing is how you can handle that API in client side, and also how you can manipulate them. Other people got my point or not, guys? Let me know. It is also important. That's why today we are going to discuss about how the text translator API work. Suppose in English I have just passed a text. Okay, the text can be converted into any other language like Hindi, like Kannada. Okay, any other language. So using that small project, we can understand how we can handle the API in client side. Got it, people? And during implementing this feature now, we will also recap our previous concept, like use state hook and also use effect hook. Got it? Okay, people. Okay, first of all, now guys, let me share my entire screen with you. What API you are going to use, I should show you guys. Okay. Okay, I think my entire screen is visible, right? Guys, let me know. My screen is visible or not? Everyone's screen visible now? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. First of all, one open source API is there. Okay, a API hub. Hub means basically on that hub na we can get multiple free APIs. We can use them for our projects. So the API name is like, okay, what is the API? Uh, yes, yes, Rapid API. Sorry, guys, Rapid API. In Google, just search for rapid API and hit the enter button. You will get the very first website of rapid API. Got it? Very first website. Just click on that website, then the dashboard will be open in front of you. The rapid API dashboard. Got it? Now you can see this kind of interface. If you have not created any account in this rapidapi.com, just go for sign up. And if you have already created an account, then go for sign in. It is very much easy to create an account. Got it, guys? Okay, after that, now, just because I have already created my account now, so I will go for sign in. If you have not created, go for sign up. Got it? Okay, I think I have logged in, right? Okay. See, guys, here now you will get a search bar like a search APIs. And today we are going to discuss how we can convert the text like one language to another language. So whatever API we are going to use now, the API name will be translator. Means simply we are going to search Google Translator. Okay. What we are going to search? Google Translator. And you have to choose the first one. Here you can see Google Translator. So just click on it. And everything you will get here. Whatever endpoint you have to hit, what parameters you have to pass, you will get all those things here. Okay. Now, okay, let me zoom in more for you guys. So I think it is visible to all of you guys, right? This API. Okay, if you have not subscribed this API, just go and subscribe. One free version is there for that. Okay, free tire. You can easily use that tire. Okay. Now here, guys, you have to choose what? JavaScript. Okay, let me zoom out. Here you have to choose JavaScript, and from the client, okay, from the client you have to choose Axios. First of all, target will be JavaScript. Second, client will be what? Axios. Okay, now I think it is visible, guys, right? Please check it, guys, check it. First open it, guys. Okay. Yeah. First of all, now see some API key is there, request URL is there, right? Here you can see params is there, headers is there, body is there. Okay, this body is the main thing. Okay, the body is the main thing. And guys, many endpoints are there. Endpoints. Okay, endpoint means particular address. On that particular address, some operation can be happened. So at the left bottom side, you can get many endpoints like detect, translate, and language. Okay, first of all, guys, let me know in this project what thing we are going to do. First, let me know, guys, in this project what we are going to do. Basically, we are going to convert a text from one language to another language, right, people? So I have to translate that text. That's why I will choose the middle one, post request translates. So I will click on it and see some code will be there here, right? I have to use that code. Got it, people? Also, if I click on the body now, multiple option is there, multiple option. Like a text is there, the Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu, right? Source language is what? English. En. En is the short form for the English language. Okay. Target means in in which particular language you are going to convert the text, like from source to destination. The source language is English. Now I am going to convert it into Chinese or Japanese. So my target language will be Chinese or Japanese, or if you want to convert it in Hindi or any other language, so target will be Hindi language. Got it? And format, what format I want text format. Got it, people? Text format. Guys, are you people understanding or not how the API will work? First of all, here I have to pass what text I want to convert. Then I have to mention the text, whatever I have passed here, na, the text is in which language, right? The text is in English language. Now I have to mention in which language I want to convert the text. Got it? After that, the output result will be in which format, like text format. So first of all, let me show you some language code. If you simply search for the language code now, after that go to the Wikipedia. Many language codes are there. Let me zoom in more for you guys. I think Wikipedia is visible, right? So if you scroll now, many languages there. Like if I search for Hindi, where is Hindi? Where is Hindi? FGHH. See guys, Hindi, right? In Hindi, na, what is the code? HI. So suppose I am going to convert a English text into a Hindi. So in target, inside the target destination, I have to put HI because I want to convert it into Hindi. So here guys, instead of ZHCN, I will put what? HI. Got it? And suppose I don't want to write this much of text. Simply I want to write very good evening everyone. I just only want to convert this text into Hindi. So now if I click on this test endpoint now, it will be converted. See the translated text. Saviko Shubh Sandha. Sandha. Saviko Shubh Sandha. Got it guys? So the text is being converted, right? Suppose I want to convert it into another language like Kannada is there. Kannada. Let me see. Let me see. Yes, Kannada is there. KN, right? KN. So if I write here KN, it will be converted into Kannada language. Here you can see the output, guys. Are you people understanding or not, guys? Let me know. Are you people understanding or not? How the text will be converted? Till now, any doubt, guys? Let me know. Any doubt? Have you got a small idea how we are going to convert the text? Right? Okay, okay. Now let's move forward to implement these things. Okay, first of all, guys, now see, let me show you how the application will be developed. Okay, so I think screen is visible. Suppose it's my screen, okay? It's my browser and it's my application screen. In this application, first of all, I have to suppose the source language will be English, okay? So I can convert the English language into any other language. So first of all, I have to give an input field, okay? In this input field, what I am going to pass? The text, okay? The text I want to convert, right? So inside this input field, I have to pass the text what I want to convert. After that, guys, here I can here or beside it I can put a drop down. Now what is the work of this drop down? First of all, guys, suppose I have many options here. Many options are there. Inside these options, I can choose at what language I want to convert it, right? So after clicking on the drop down, many language code will be there. English will be there, Hindi will be there, Kannada will be there. So I have to choose that particular language. After that, here a button will be there. Got it, people? And if you click on that button, na, the converted text will be displayed in this area. Got it? After clicking on the button, the converted text will be displayed in this area. Are you people understanding or not? Let me know, guys. It's a convert button. Convert. Okay. And here languages will be displayed. Target languages will be displayed, and inside this field I am going to display the converted text. Converted text. Yes. Any doubt, guys, till now? Any doubt? Let me know. If you have any doubt till now, please ask me, guys. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Let me know. Any doubt? Or should I move forward to work on the code? Let me know. Or if you have any issue till now, let me know. I will try to resolve all of your doubt. Okay. So here my VS code is there, right? So simply, guys, I'm going to create a white project, right? White React project. That's why what I have to do, I have to create an app first, right? So can anybody tell me, guys, what is the command? By executing that command, I can create a React application, white React application. What will be the command? Let me know, guys. I want to create a React application using white bundler. So what will be the command? So the command will be, guys, npm create white @ latest, right? After that, you have to pass a directory name. Means whatever directory name you will pass now, it will create the directory first. Then inside the directory, it will create your entire project. Got it, people? So here 03 app will be there. So my project directory name is 03 app. Okay. Yes, I want to proceed. Yes, here I'm going to work on the React framework. So I have to choose the React one. Got it? After that, what variant I want to use? I want to use normal JavaScript. So it has been created. After that, guys, now I cannot start my application because currently I am in the parent directory. I have to go inside this 03 app directory, right? So cd 03 app directory. Now still if I execute the command npm run dev, it will not execute it. It will not be executed like npm run dev. If I execute the command now, see, guys, white is not recognized as an internal or external command. Got it? That is the point. Why we can't execute the application, because node modules folder is not present here, right? So we have to create node modules folder. So for that, npm I, or if you want to write the entire word like install, you can use it, npm I, and hit the enter button. So node modules pack folder will be generated here. Okay. Now also I want to integrate what? Tailwind CSS. Got it, people? Tailwind CSS. So simply search for Tailwind CSS. Okay, people, in Google, simply search for what? Tailwind CSS. Okay, guys. Now go into the very first website of Tailwind CSS. And I think you all know how to configure the Tailwind CSS. Please put a comment if you know how to integrate the Tailwind CSS in white project. Just let me know, guys. Okay, so here some steps are there. First of all, it says that first create a white project, then go inside that project and install the npm, right? So that much of step we have already completed, guys. So let me check whether the folder has been generated or not. Yes, you can see node modules has been created. Now I can configure. How to configure? First of all, copy this npm install tailwind css and paste it in the terminal. Okay, so it will be installed. After that, next step is I have to copy this line from here. I have copied After that, guys, here inside the wait.config.js, here I have to paste it simply. After that, one more line I have to copy, like a tailwind CSS, a function I have to copy. Got it? Okay, it is not working. Yes, I have to copy this and I have to paste it in after the React. See? Okay, people. Now the last step is I have to copy this import tailwind CSS utility function, and inside the main CSS file I have to paste it. What is the main CSS file? Called index.css. I will remove everything from here. I will paste only the single line. Now I can say that tailwind CSS is configured properly. If I execute npm run dev, my application will be started in the development environment. So what is the port? 5173, right guys? Now let me open the browser and local host colon 5173. If I hit the enter button, see my application is being started, guys, right? My application is being started. Okay, till now, guys, if you have any confusion, please let me know. Till now, any confusion, guys? Till now, please let me know. Okay, guys. Okay, I think no confusion is there, right? Okay, so let's implement this. Okay, let's go inside the app.jsx, remove everything. Okay, can anybody tell me, guys, what is the meaning of component? In our previous class, I have told now what is the definition of component. I want the exact definition, guys. Let me know. What will be the definition? What is the meaning of component, guys? Let me know. Let me know. What is component? Okay, let me show you guys what is component. Component means it will be a function. Okay, function. Okay, component means it is a function. Now the function, what the function will do? Function will return some HTML element. It's a function which will return some HTML elements. Now, okay, now you can ask me, sir, component means reusable things, right? So yes, it is absolutely correct. But if anyone asks you like what is component, so component means it's a simple function. If you see a component, na, you can see it will be a function, and the function will return some elements. So that will be the actual answer. Yes, yes, Jayati. Yes. So let me create a function first. Tion. Okay. If I make any typo now, guys, please don't mind. Okay. Function app. Okay. What the function will do? Function will return some HTML element. So div will be my HTML element. Export default app. Simple, guys, right? Okay. First of all, now I should use a wrapper. Okay. Empty fragment is there. Here I want to use a div, and also I want to write some class name, like height will be mm, screen, not screen. Height will be full, and width will be screen. Okay. Now if I put any color like BG slate 500, if I use any kind of shade, color shade, and let me see whether it is working or not. Okay, it is not working still now. Till now, it is not working. Okay, let me restart the server first. Okay, okay, still it is not visible. Class name, hide screen. I need full width. Let me check. Yes, guys, here you can see Tailwind CSS is working accurately, right? Okay, let me remove the shade from here. Like what shade I want to use? Simply 200. Okay, now inside this div, I want another div. The first div for the upper elements, and the next div for the lower elements. Okay, what is the lower element? I will discuss. Don't worry. In On the upper element, there will be an input field, right? Simple input field, and inside this input field now I will put my text, and the text will be converted into the target language, right? So here simply text, and I will remove it from here. Okay, I want to use some placeholder like enter your text to convert into a particular language. That's it, guys. So here I have created an input field. See, here is the input field. Okay, let me add some CSS on it. Guys, it's a simple Tailwind CSS. Okay, if you are not aware of the Tailwind CSS now, don't worry, you don't have to see any other playlist. Just go and search for the classes. Like if you know the basic CSS now, so based on the basic CSS you can assume that what will be the class name. First of all, I want to provide some width on it. So width 90 is there. Yes, 96. Height, suppose 20. Yes, 20 will be good. Mm, no, too much. Height is too much. 16 will be good, I think. No, 16 is also too much. 14, 14, no, not 14. 12. Yes, 12 is good, right? 12 is good, and also I want to provide some border. So border slate 800. See, now a border is there, right? Now I want to make this border rounded. So rounded LG. Got it, guys? See, if you notice the class name now, guys, you can easily understand that what is the meaning of that. Like W96 means it is a width. Okay, it's a width. H12 means it's a height. Border means I want to use the border properties. Here border slate 800 means I want to provide the border color. Rounded means border radius. See, if I hover now, you can see rounded LG means border radius. After that, some values are there. Got it, people? So in this manner, Tailwind CSS works. Okay, here, okay, it good, looks good. Now I also want to provide some padding in X direction. X direction means, guys, from left and right direction, I want to provide the padding. Y direction means top and bottom area. X means right and left. So here, 5 will be good, I think. See, 5 is good. Sat scene, yes, we can. If we want, we can also use the sat scene. No issue will be there. Okay, here enter your text here. Okay. Also, let me use some properties another like flex items center, justify content center, so that text will be centered. Okay, now I have created my input field, right, guys? Also, now I need a drop down button here. I need what? Drop down button. For that, I can use another input field. Okay. Here, what will be the type of the input field? Suppose I want to create a drop down, guys. So what will be the type of this input field? I want to create a drop down. So what will be the type of it? Input type. Can anybody tell me, guys, what will be the input type? Okay, okay. So should I use input or any other tag? Should I use a section, guys? Section. Inside the section, multiple options will be there, right? Yes. Sorry, guys. Not a section. It will be select. Yes. SELE CT. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Sometime typos happen. Okay. Okay. Inside the select now, I have to pass multiple what option. Suppose I want to take only three language for right now. The value here, the value will be okay. I don't want the key here, so I will remove the key areas. Okay. In this option now, I will pass what? First of all, Hindi. Here I will pass Kannada. Okay. Here I will pass Bengali. Got it, people? Three language I will use here. If I go in this drop down, you can see Hindi, Kannada, Bengali. Right? Okay, I should remove these spaces, I think. Okay. See, here is the drop down Hindi, Kannada, Bengali. And also, I should pass label. What label? Choose target language. Okay. So let me see if I refresh it. If I refresh it, okay. Just give me a second, guys. Yes. Choose a target language Hindi, Kannada, Bengali. Let me wrap it up inside a div. Yes. Now it will work accurately. Not 200, I want to use 100. Got it, people? See? Choose a target language Hindi, Kannada, Bengali. Got it, people? Are people understanding or not? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Let me know, guys. Are people understanding or not? Arif Barsha, please do not spam. Okay. If you're going to spam in this manner, na, I'm going to ban you for today's video. You have to create separate repos. Guys, till now, any confusion, guys, till now? Let me know. If you have any confusion till now, please let me know. If you have any doubt till now, please let me know. Okay, I am showing you my VS Code. Just let me know, guys, if you have any confusion or not. After that, I will continue the another portion. See here, guys. Okay, how did I format it? Okay, simply just right click. Okay, here format document is there now. Click on the format document. It will be formatted automatically. Okay, I think no confusion is there, guys. So should I start? Okay, okay, guys. Okay, okay. Let me share my entire screen again. See, visible, right? Okay, okay, okay. Just let me search for the codes. Okay, uh, Arif Barsha. First of all, work on all the projects. After completion, na, I will tell you how to submit. Okay, before eating the food, please try to prepare the food first. Okay, so please focus on that. Okay, what I'm going to do? Search for the language codes, right? So here is the Wikipedia. Okay, what are the languages I have chosen here? Hindi, Kannada, Bengali, right? So Hindi, okay, Bengali, right? Bengali for BN. So here I will put what BN for Hindi. What will the code? Hindi, 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 HI, right? And for Kannada, what will be the code, guys? Let me know. Kannada, Kannada, KN, right? So here I will put KN. And also I have to choose all those things, right? For that I will use a name tag. Inside the name, language. Got it, people? Clear, na? Okay. Let me refresh it first. So Hindi, Kannada, Bengali is there. Also, I need a submit button. Right, guys? What I need? I need a submit button. So let me create a button first. Here's my button. Okay. Convert. And the type will be what? Submit. That's it, guys. That's it. But if you go here now and if you refresh it, you can see everything is one like first input is there, uh, beneath the input one drop down is there, after that one button is there, but I want to align them in a single line. Okay, I want to align them in a single line. How to do that? For that now I will target this parent div. I will write some class name. What class name? First of all, flex means a display flex. Align items I want to make center. Also justify content I want to make center. Got it? Now you can see everything has been aligned. Now also I want to put some gap in x direction, like 5. 5 means 20 pixel of gaps. See, okay, and also I want to pass uh, margin top 20. Okay, not margin top. Sorry, guys. Not margin top. Not margin top. Uh, I think here I should pass. Oh no, no, no. Padding top. I think padding top 20. See, it looks good, right? Right, guys. It looks good. Okay, should I change the color of those things, right? For that, first of all, let me target the button. Put some class name. I want to provide some BG color. So BG slate is my favorite. So I will choose slate 700. Text color I prefer to use white. Okay, let me show you guys. Yes, it's converted. Also, I want to use width, not width, uh, padding in x direction, like 2. Yes, 2 is good. Also, I want to use some height of 10. Yes, it looks good. Also, I want to make it rounded, LG. Yes, it also looks good, right? Button looks good, na guys? Let me know. Button, like professional button is there, guys. Professional button. See? Okay, but if I hover, if I move my cursor on this button now my cursor is not being converted into a pointer, right? My cursor is not being converted into pointer. For that I can use cursor pointer. What? Cursor pointer. Okay, also I can add some hover effect. See the hover effect. How to add the hover? Right, hover. Now what hover effect you want to put? Like if I hover now, I want to choose its text color into uh, slate of 200. Okay, slate of 200. See, okay. Also, let me convert it. 700 hover BG color. Okay, not BG color, BG slate of 200. Okay, now you can see the changes, guys. Okay, just see the button. See, the changes visible now. Whenever I'm going to hover on this button now, the button background color and the text color has been converted, right? See, that is the use of hover effect, right, guys? Okay, okay. So I think it is visible, guys, right? And whatever style you want to use now, guys, you can provide. Okay, no issue will be there. And also I need another input here, like for this div I prefer to use a paragraph tag. For this paragraph tag I want to use some class name, bg slate 300, not 300, 400. Height I want to use 80. Okay, width I want to use 400 pixel. Okay, okay, I think width should be more, right, guys? Okay, for that, not 400, it should convert it into 800. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, now what I have to do, simply I am going to target this parent div. I will also make it flex items center, and also justify content center. Now it will be centered easily. Okay, also uh, flex column, means the flex direction will be in the column. Also I want to provide some gap in y direction. The gap will be like 16, I think. Yes, it looks good, right, guys? It looks good. So I have told now, inside this input field I will pass a text, whatever text I want to convert. Okay, now here from this drop down I can choose in what language I want to convert. If I click on this convert button, then the text will be converted into the targeted language and it will be displayed here. Got it, people? Are people understanding or not? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Any doubt, guys? Till now, any doubt? Any doubt? Let me know, guys. Or should I move forward to implement the Axios part? Okay, okay, guys. Okay, I think you have got enough idea on it, right? Okay. Now, guys, I have to install a package. package called Axios, because without installing the Axios, na, we are not going to handle the APIs. Yes, we can handle using what it's called, like fetch API, but Axios will be very much preferable. For that, npm I Axios and hit the enter button. Got it, people? Hit the enter button. So Axios will be installed soon. Yes. Now, guys, can you just tell me, guys, what are the state variable I want here? What are the state variable are required here? Can anybody tell me, guys, what are the state variable are required? कौन सा state variable चाहिए मुझे? Anybody can tell me? First of all, whatever the input I am going to pass, na, that input should be stored in a variable. After that, whatever uh, option I am going to choose here, that option should be stored. So without wasting any further time, guys, let me import what use state hook, right? First of all, here, guys, I have to create a variable const text set text. Use state. By default, the text will be an empty string. Another will be const option set option. By default, it will be also an empty string. Got it, people? By default, it will be also an empty string. Now I have to target, right? I have to target the text from this input field and also from this drop down. Am I right or wrong? I have to target now, guys. Yes or no? For that, I have to create a function like const capture text. I have to use an event, so e. Now e dot prevent default. Prevent default means basically uh, in event now there might be a possibility that the event will send the data to some other place. So for preventing that situation, I have to use e dot prevent default. After that, simply use set text e dot target dot value. That's it. That is the function I have to create. And now I have to add the function. What I have to add the function. Okay, but before adding that, let me create another like const capture option, because also I have to capture the options now. For that, again, I have to create it. E dot prevent default, then set option, right? Set option. Here e dot target dot value. Got it, people? E dot target dot value. And first of all, here's the input field, right? I will I will use an on change event. Inside this on change, capture text. And inside this select na, I will also use another on change. Here I will pass capture option. Guys, do you have any confusion on use state hook and also the events? Events means the on change, on click. Still, do you have any confusion on those things? Let me know. Okay, let me console it first, guys. Okay, if I do not console now, I will not be able to understand whether the text has been captured or not. So let me start the server. See, guys, if you know now how to create the variables, see, guys, it is not a very big deal to create a state variable, right? Also, it is not a very big deal to capture the data, and you should know in which place you should use on change or on click. On change means, suppose if you're writing something, so during writing, if you want to capture the things from that input field, you have to choose on change. Suppose after clicking on a button or clicking on the element, if you want to store the value, then you have to use the on click. Okay, why to restart server? Because I have not started the server yet. Npm run dev. Now the server will be started, guys. Got it? Server is started. Okay, let me open it, refresh it first. Okay, let me open the inspect mode, console here. Okay, Kannada. See, KN has been selected. Okay, see guys, I have targeted Kannada. If I target Hindi, see, Hindi has been selected. If I target Bengali, see, BN has been selected. If I write anything like very good evening, everyone, see, the text has been targeted, and also this from this drop down options can be targeted easily, right? That means my state variable and also the function is working perfectly, guys, working perfectly. Re-rendering will be happen, guys. Whenever I will write something, now there is a console log. For that console log, re-rendering will be happen. The page will not be re-rendered, guys. The values will be re-rendered. Okay. Now it's time to use the Axios. Okay. Simple, guys. You have to copy these things here. Like, first of all, copy these options. First, import the Axios, guys. Okay. Import Axios from Axios. After that, create a function called const convert text. It will be an asynchronous function because I'm calling to my backend. So backend can be present in some other place. So for interacting with my backend, I have to use the async keyword. Here I will paste the entire thing. Now guys, please notice here. Please notice. What you have to notice? First of all, please don't make any changes on that source, because whatever text I am going to pass, the text will be in the form of English language, right? So source will not be changed, but target will be changed. So for changing the target here, you can see the option, right? So I will change the option here. Okay, I will use a backticks option. That's it. And here, see, here is the text. Very good evening, everyone. So I have to target that text from this input field, and the text will be stored inside this variable called text. So instead of passing raw data, I have to make it dynamic. For that, I will remove it from here, and I will use a backticks. And here I will pass what? Text. That's it, guys. That's it. Now you have to call the function. Okay. So how to call it, guys? How to call it? See, if you go here now, some try catch block is there. Okay. Let me copy it first for making it simple. Okay. Here, simply I will call it format document try and catch block. Inside the try and catch block, I'm going to call the function. Got it, people? I'm going to call the function, and it will be displayed, right? So everything has been completed, guys. Everything has been completed. Now I have to call the convert text function. See, you have to change this input field here. Also, you have to change the target here, right? And what is the function name, guys? Function name convert text. Now where is my button? Here is my button. Now guys, can anybody tell me what event I should use here? On change or on click? What event I should use here? On change or on click? Let me know, guys, what event should I use here? On change or on click? Yes, on click, because after clicking on that button, my event will be triggered. On click, convert text. That's it. Now let me go to my app. Let me open the console here. Let me see whether it is working or not. Okay, first of all, I have to put the text like very good evening, everyone. So it's my text, right? Very good evening, everyone. Now I want to convert it in the Hindi language. So here I will target the Hindi. Now if I click on this convert button, now let's see what will happen. It will take a few seconds because it will call the backend now. Now here guys, you can see something has been printed on my console. If you open it, see our data is there. If you further drill down the data, see translation is there. If you further drill down the translation, see at the 0th index, translated text is there, right? So it's in Hindi language. That means our API is working perfectly. Now I have to target this. How to target? Simple. Here is my response is there now. Response.data. From the data, again I have to take the data. After taking the data, go inside the translations, right? So further translations, right? Now if I again click on that button, see what will be the output. Now the output will be in the form of array. Now we all know that array index should be start from 0th position, right? Am I right or wrong? Array index should be start from 0th position, and on that 0th position another object is there. So I have to target the 0th position. How to target? Simple. I will use a bracket, right? Here I will convert it first number. 0th index I want simply. If I again click on the convert button, see now translated text is there, but I want to display only this area. So here I will target this translated text. So again, translated text. It's a called chaining, guys. Okay, it's called chaining. See now the text is visible, guys. Am I right or wrong, guys? Text is visible now. Let me know, guys. It is working or not. It's working or not, guys. Let me know. Yes. Now if I change the target language into Kannada, and let me see whether it is working or not. Again convert. See it has been converted into Kannada. If I again change into Bengali, I can convert it into Bengali. Shobaike Shubho Shondha. Got it, guys? Now if you want to add multiple languages, easily you can add. Now you know how to add them. But I have to display this text in this area, right? So for that now, instead of console log, I can copy it from here, and I will call, I should use another state variable, guys, like const converted text set converted text. Use state empty. Now using the set converted text, set converted text, I can store the data here. Got it? I can store the data, and also I have to display the data na converted text. So inside this paragraph here, guys, I will use the data like converted text. Now if I go to my browser, if I close it, and if I write something here, let me zoom in more, like how are you? Okay, I want to convert it into Hindi. Let's click on the convert button. Okay, why it is not visible? Converted text. Yes, converted text. Okay, Bengali. Yes, here you can see na the text. Tumi kamo nacho. Or suppose let me change the color of it. Text not white, black. See, Tumi kamo nacho. The text is visible. If you want to convert it Kannada, convert. See, it has been converted into Kannada. Are the people understanding or not, guys? Let me know. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt till now? Any doubt? It is actually working, guys. So in this manner, we can handle any API in client side. And by following these drilling down these steps like response.data, it will be an object. From the object, inside the object, another data is there. It is also an object. Inside this data, translation is there. So now the translation is an array. Now I have to access the zeroth position. Somehow this zero can be converted into string. That's why I have already typecasting into number. Now from the zeroth position, again I will get an array, sorry, object. What will be the object name? Translated text. Got it, people? So by following this manner, you can drill down any kind of looping array or object. Let me know, people, if you have understood or not. And one more thing, guys, the UI part is totally depend upon you. How you can create the UI, what are the changes you want to made. Okay, that is totally up to you. My work is to show you how the things will work here. Got it, people? Any doubt till now, guys? Till now, any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, guys. After completing all those tasks, now you should create a GitHub account. If you have already a GitHub account, then it is already good. So tell me one thing, if we have a four input field, we make a four state or not? Yes, if you want, you can make four state, or if you want, you can create only one state. Inside the one state, you can put an object. Got it? Inside that object, you can assign some values, right? See here, guys. See the code. Okay. First of all, see, notice here. Like, suppose you want to store four object, like a four input field data. So const data set data. Okay, use state. Inside the use state, there is a no need, there is a no mandatory thing that you have to pass only an empty string or zero. If you want, you can pass an object here. Got it? You can pass an object. Inside that object, suppose you want to pass a first thing called like a normal text you want to receive. So text will be an empty string first. Now another field is option. Here is the option. It is also an empty field. Suppose here drop down is there. You can also create a drop down. Suppose another text field is there. Another text. See? There is no need to create multiple state variables. If you know how to manipulate it into in one variable, then you can go with it. And if you have confusion how to use them, then create multiple state variables like I have created now here. If you want to create only one state variable, inside that one state variable, if you want to manage the states for different input fields, you can do it. I think you have made some mistake. That's why it is okay. 403 means not authorized. 403. You should check whether you have subscribed the API or not. Guys, are you people able to understand what thing I have told? Whatever the things I have teach now. Any doubt till now, guys? Any doubt? Please let me know, guys. Let me know. Are you people understanding now, guys? Okay, just tell me one thing, guys. Are you people are enjoying or not this much of content? Instead of showing you how to design a component, we should learn the things how we can use them. Okay, front end means not only the styling part. You also know that how the React reacts. It is the main thing. If you don't know how the work React's workflow, then there is no need to learn front end, guys. Okay, after completing all those tasks now, you should create a GitHub account and put all those tasks into that account, right? Then just you have to upload the URL of your GitHub so that we can check your code. Okay. And one more class will be there, guys, for the front end. On that class, we will cover up how the React router DOM will work. Got it? Client side routing using React router DOM. Okay, okay, Hema, Radhe Radhe. Thank you, thank you. Okay, guys, so thank you for any other question, guys. Let me know. If you don't have any other question, then I will end the session here. Any question, guys? Okay, Aditya, I will share the code. Okay, I will share the code. You can rectify them. No issue. What mistake you have done, you can easily find it out. Okay, Aditya. Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you for joining into this session, guys. Yeah, it was a nice interaction with you. Lovely interaction with you guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining into this class. Very good night. Very good evening to all of you guys. Yes, guys. See you in the backend class. Yes. Today another project will be there, right? Library management system. Simple CRUD operation, guys. We know how to use CRUD operation, right? In our previous class, we have understood by creating a simple to-do backend. Okay, guys. So thank you for joining into this class. Very good night. Very good evening to all of you guys. I am Rahul Ghosh. Right now, I'm signing off. Thank you, everyone.